Am I the a-hole for making my daughter miss once-in-a-lifetime events, homecoming and senior prom, and delete all of her social media as punishment for teasing? Yesterday I was informed that my daughter Sam was a part of a group of students who teased another girl to the point that she had to switch schools. There was a racial aspect to the teasing, which came as a complete shock since my wife and I truly did our best to raise our 3 kids to be kind and honest individuals. I don't believe that a grounding and a confiscation of electronics is harsh enough for what Sam did, so I told Sam that she won't be allowed to participate in homecoming or attend senior prom. I also told her that she won't be getting a car for her 18th birthday either. Finally, I told her that she'll have to delete all of her social media accounts with either me or her mother watching. Sam begged me to allow her to go to senior prom because it's a once-in-a-lifetime event, and keep just her Instagram account because it had pictures going back years that weren't saved anywhere else. I told her that she shouldn't have been a ICIST bully. My parents are temporarily staying with us while their house is undergoing renovations. They agree that what Sam did was completely out of line and must be punished, but they think that making my daughter miss homecoming and senior prom and forcing her to delete her social media is far too harsh. Well guys, I do not believe that OP is an a-hole because the daughter should have never teased that girl in the first place, so this punishment would really cement in her, as a life lesson, that her choices have consequences that she will have to face eventually. Hence, she should make better choices because prevention is better than cure. With that said, I do not believe the father was too harsh because he raised her up to be a better person than he found her out to be. Anyway, let's check out a few relevant comments on the matter. OP, you are not the a-hole. The punishment seems appropriate to the level of offense here, especially the deletion of social media accounts. That said, there's a chance to teach the idea of repentance and redemption. Assuming you are in the US or Canada, I don't think homecoming is a thing elsewhere, so I feel good about that assumption. The school year is just about to start and prom isn't until late April or early May. Create a plan of restorative actions she can take to earn back prom. These actions can include volunteer service, befriending someone who is an outcast at her school, cultural sensitivity classes, and, if possible, something that can positively impact the girl she teased. Also, giving her something to earn back like that will let her have a positive focus for the year. What she did was very wrong, and needs to have consequences, but it can be an important learning opportunity too, so good luck. Edit, some great conversation here. I crossed out the idea of befriending an outcast, and I agree that the pics should probably be saved, but maybe not the ones with the other friends involved. I can also very easily detect those who have zero parenting experience and those who will probably end up with low contact or no contact with their children someday because they have no feelings for the idea of repentance and redemption. It's a balance, people. Raising a teen means there have to be serious consequences for serious actions, but also teaching them how to behave in the right way, and that requires a path for earning back what they have lost. This is the way, volunteering. Bonus points if it's a big sister program and the kid is the race of the girl she bullied. If that's not exactly possible, volunteering for anyone less fortunate usually gives a swift kick of humility. Well guys, you listened to the story for yourself. What are your thoughts? Is the father an a-hole or is he in the right? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And since you are down there, please subscribe to the channel for more Reddit stories like this one. Also, like the video to help get it out to more people who will like it. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Love.